puppies are being shot in the dark. Too many puppies are trained not to bark at the sight of blood that must be spilled so that we can maintain our oil fields. Too many puppies. Too many puppies. Too many puppies are taught to heal. Too many puppies are trained to kill on the command of men wearing money belts and my mistress's sleek animal pills. Too many puppies. Too many puppies. Too many puppies. Too many puppies. Puppies with guns in their hands. Too many puppies in foreign lands and dressed up sharp in suits of green and placed upon the war machine. Too many puppies are just like me. Too many puppies are afraid to see the visions of the past. They're brought to life again. Too many puppies, too many dead men. Elsa Brandy #1.
Good, good.